Getting back to building a model railway after being away from the hobby for over 50 years. How hard can that be? Roll the credits. So much has changed over the 50 years I have been away from the hobby. So many decisions to make. Usually, the first decision to make is where to place the layout. There is a good article in Key Model World that gives a good range of alternatives. I started my journey back into model railways in June 2019. I initially built a test track on a board 8 foot by 5 foot due to the fact I knew I was going to be moving in the near future. The move was planned for 2021. Knowing this, it was not worth starting to build a proper layout, hence why we built, with the help of Steve from Steve TT120, to build the test track. For health reasons, I was looking for somewhere close to the sea to be able to get the sea air, eventually finding a very suitable house here in Blackpool. The house met all of my needs and requirements, including space to be able to house the model railway. The house is double fronted, having 2 large reception rooms, one of which being open plan with the kitchen, making it ideal for a lounge diner, making this one of several houses came to view. What I was not expecting when I viewed the house was it had a massive loft, some 32 feet by 24 feet. There was also a good loft ladder and skylight already installed, and the previous owner had already boarded the loft and had started to install insulation as well. Considerable work would still have to be done to make the room more usable, but it was a good foundational start. Having mild mobility issues, the use of the loft ladder to gain access was not really a viable option. I would have had to have converted the room and installed a proper staircase, with all that would involve with building regulations and its considerable additional cost. The reason the house was selected off Rightmove to view in the first place was the fact it had 2 reception rooms, one which I could live in and use, and the second could be converted into my train room. At 18 feet by 12 feet, this was still a very good large room for the model railway. However, if I win the lottery, the conversion of the loft is still on the cards. I have included a slideshow of the 3 levels, including the 2 fiddle yard levels and the scenic level for your enjoyment, which has been built over the last 2 years. If you like what you see, if you'd like to subscribe and like, the next video will be up shortly.